The another part in the plant is fruits. So we will observe different types of fruits like banana, grapes, apples, and guava, watermelon. All these are the different types of fruits daily we eat in different seasons. And also we will eat different types of vegetables in our food. So those vegetables and these fruits are the fruits from the plants. So that's why the plants especially gives food to the living beings. So the food given by the fruits, the food given by the plants will be mainly in the two forms. One is fruits and one is vegetables. So here, how the fruit will get from a plant. So how the fruit will be get from the plant. So first, the flower will be developed into fruit. So the flower will be developed into fruit. So because of pollination. So the flower attracts the insects by their colors and by their pleasant smells. When the insects fall on the flower, then pollination will take place. So when pollination takes place, then the fertilization will take place. So in the flower, there will be takes place pollination by the insects. So pollination will take place by insects. So due to pollination, then fertilization will take place. So after fertilization, the flower will develop into a fruit. So that means the sepals present at the bottom of the flower will fall down and the bottom part of the flower will become swollen and gradually it becomes a fruit. And after some days, the size of the fruit will becomes larger in size and becomes ripen. So when the fruits ripen, their color will also changes. So children, so this is the development of fruit from the plant. So fruits will be come from the flowers due to the process of pollination and fertilization. So flowers attracts insects by their different colors and by their pleasant smells. When the insects fall on the flowers, the pollination will take place. So after pollination, then fertilization takes place. So due to fertilization, then a flower will be converted into a fruit. So how a fruit will be come from the fruit flower? So here the bottom part of the flower will become swollen. So the sepals present at the bottom of the flower will fall down and the bottom part of the flower will become swollen and become into a fruit. So after some days, the size of the fruit become larger in size and their color will also changes. So this is the way how a fruit will be produced from the flower. So initially, so as we have discussed earlier, so initially we get birds from the plants and these birds will turn into flowers. And after pollination by the insects, these flowers will be converted into fruits. So generally, fruits means, so plants give two types of fruits. That is, so one are fruits that is apple, grapes, guava, and these are the different types of seasonal fruits. And another fruits given by the plants are vegetables. So vegetables are also the fruits given by the plants. So vegetables means, so most of all the vegetables, that means we have cucumber, a bottle gourd and bitter gourd. So all these are the vegetables, potato, carrot, all these are the fruits given by the plants. So children, so this is about fruits. So the leaves prepare their food in the form of the fruits. So this is about fruits. So these fruits are nothing but the foods prepared by the plant and food will be prepared by the leaves. So in this way, the fruits will come out due to the work done by the leaves. So they will prepare food by using the process photosynthesis and due to the photosynthesis, they will prepare food. Their food will nothing but fruits and fruits will vegetables and also some seasonal fruits. So children, so this is about fruits. And what are the functions of the fruits? So what are the functions of the fruits? So there are some functions of the fruits. So the first one is, so fruits contains seeds. So every fruit contains seeds, and the new plant will be grown from these seeds. So these seeds are very helpful in the reproduction of the new plants from the given plant. So the first one is fruits contains seeds, and second one is these seeds will grow up into a new plant. So that's why fruits are very helpful in the reproduction of the plants. That means the plants will reproduce new plants with the help of seeds, and the seeds will come from fruits. So children, this is about fruits. The another part of the plant is seeds. So how can we get seeds? So as earlier we have discussed, the seeds will come from fruits. So the seeds will come from fruits. So most of the fruits contains seeds, and some fruits contain only one seed, and some fruits contain so many seeds. For example, if we take mango, so if we take mango, the mango fruit contains only one seed. So whereas if we take pomegranate and watermelon, so if we take pomegranate and watermelon, they have contains so many seeds, that means large number of seeds. So in this way, the seeds will come from fruits, and some fruits contain only one seeds, and some fruits contain so many seeds. Example, mango fruit contains only one seed, and pomegranate, watermelon contains so many seeds. So here, the seeds will grow into a new plant. So these seeds will grow into a new plant. So that is called seed germination. So the seeds will grow into a new plant. So this process of getting a new plant from the seeds is called seed germination. So generally, the seed is a non-living thing, and if the seed will fall down on the ground, and if air, water and warmth. So if the seed is supplied air, water and warmth, then it will get life, and a new baby plant will be come out from the seed, and it will grow up into a big plant. So this process of getting a new plant from the seed is called seed germination. So generally, a seed contains a baby plant inside it. So that baby plant present inside the seed is called embryo. And this embryo has no life initially, and if we supply water and air to the seed, then the new plant, that means an embryo gets life, and it will grow into a new plant. So the seeds are very hard to broken, because the outer layer of the seed is covered with a thick layer. So the outer portion of the seed is covered with a thick layer, and that's why the seeds are generally hard and they cannot be easily broken. So inside the seed there is a small plant, baby plant called embryo, and it does not have any life. And if we plant the seed into a soil, then, and if we give water and air, then the baby plant gets life and it grows into a new plant. So this total process of growing a seed into a new plant is called seed germination. Is called seed germination. So seed germination means the process of growing a seed into a new plant is called seed germination. So children, so this is the workflow. So this is the flow of how a new plant will get from the seed. So generally, so children, if you take seed, so the seed will grow into a plant, and this plant will give flowers. And these flowers will converted, that means these flowers will turn into fruits. And again these fruits will give seeds. So this is the way how a seed will convert into a plant, and the plant gives flowers, and flowers converted to fruits. Again we get seeds from the fruits. In this way the plants will reproduce their new plants. So that's why they are able to survive on the earth, and their race does not become exist. So this is the process, this is the information about seeds. Next, what are the functions of the seeds? So children, the functions of these seeds is generally the seeds produce new plants. So the seeds produce new plants. That means the seeds grown into a new plants. So the seed germination will take place with the help of seeds. So this is generally the main function of the seeds. So we can get new plants from the seeds of the plants.